Okay, this is the 2006 Marvel Legends Throne. Yeah, this is how it looks. Now I got this for Skeletor. See, he looks great in it. Just gotta, there we go. However, Skeletor's throne is black and white. So what I'm gonna do is bring out all these detailing in here and separate it from the black with some white. Alright, so now let's take a look at how it finished. Okay, now here is Skeletor's throne, all finished. As you can see, this white really makes all these skull details and everything pop out. Inside, from the back, looks more like Skeletor's throne. It's got all these faces painted in white now. So let's put Skeletor on the throne. And why not? Let's just put Panther right next to him. Panther. Yeah, probably better on this side. There we go. See? He's ready to be in command of his army. Now this is going to be going inside Snake Mountain. Which you're probably going to see before this video, because I'm gonna do Snake Mountain restoration and upgrade, and this throne will be revealed in that Snake Mountain first. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.